Hi guys, what's up? Aaron Jarman Rumor from Spirit Auto Salon. Let's talk about how this started. So we started the shop almost 2 years ago. Personal family lotto to a point na we were given the freedom to build the shop dito. Our concept with the brand dito sa Spirit Auto Salon is heavily influenced with rally style and rally culture. Yeah, if you guys notice, majority ng cars that we work on are rally-bred cars, especially the Subaru WRX. You know, because with the brand having really good heritage when it comes to rally, and us being in Alfonso, Cavite, yung back roads namin dito is perfect for the discipline ng motorsports na yun. And we try to push that style and brand is because we believe that rally setup is ang pinaka, how do I say, optimal sa Pilipinas. We brag that these rally cars could go around the Philippines without having any issues, unlike the other platforms that we came from na mga lowered, drift cars, stance cars, track cars, which is a bit of a challenge to use around the Philippines. Kaya, you know, dito sa shop, tinatry talaga namin na i-push yung style na yun. And I feel like you know, more people in the Philippines are gonna have fun with that kind of setup and platform. Lalo na sa Pilipinas na lubak-lubak. It's always a challenge to bring lowered cars around. So Spirit Auto Salon is labeled as an automotive design studio. So meaning we prototype and design all the way from small parts to the entire build ng car. We also offer services to people in prototyping body kits, engine parts, interior parts, safety parts. So we're really putting an effort to, you know, contribute to the growing automotive scene dito sa Pilipinas. And we want to show, you know, people here in the country and abroad that the Philippines has a capacity to build these types of builds already. Medyo, underrated ang Filipino car scene. So, us being placed dito sa Alfonso, which is literally next to Tagaytay, you know, we want the shop to also be a driving destination on the weekends for us to share and enjoy yung mga builds natin. So, prior to starting Spirit Auto Salon, we were heavily into the drifting scene sa Pilipinas. Though the drifting scene, you know, it was big and then medyo nag-die down, and then right now, the drifting scene, it looks like it's, how do I say, dumadami na ang mga participants. Now we want to see the same thing with the rally scene. Compared to the other disciplines sa motorsports, you're limited with space kung saan ka maglalaro. Like drifting, you're limited to only a few racetracks and an open track sa Pampanga, which is R33. So unlike sa rally discipline, masasabi kong the entire country is perfect for that discipline, and you could really enjoy the back roads. And you have entities like AAP Philippines and Rally Championship ng Pilipinas na they're really putting an effort na ma-enjoy ng mga drivers ang country natin. Underrated roads and underrated back roads, gravel roads, that the Philippines is really perfect for, you know, the development ng rally scene. This car competed in the first inter-island rally championships ng Pilipinas, which is in Lubang, Mindoro. Sinakay namin yung kotse sa Roro along with the rest of the other participants' cars, and you know, thankfully, even though we had problems dun sa karera, we ended up winning first place with this WRX STI. You know, we want to set a nice standard in builds when it comes to that discipline, and we want to encourage other people na wag matakot isali yung kotse even though you have that conception na nabubugbog yung auto. Yeah, the experience we had in Lubang was different. Nakita namin sa reaction ng mga tao na tuwang-tuwa sila seeing motorsports inside their island, you know. So compared to other events that are happening in the Philippines, yung ginawa ng Philippine Rally Championship and AAP is they really set a standard when it comes to safety in hosting these races. Kaya kahit sabihin mong public roads yung pinaglalaroan nyo, everything was controlled environment, and hindi ka matatakot na umupak talaga sa kotse. Masasagad mo yung auto knowing na safety precautions have already been set by those guys. So that was our first time joining the rally as a shop and as a team, and thanks to God, everything was safe, and we ended up clocking the fastest time overall compared to all the other contestants, and we look forward into developing this car more na makapagsali pa sa future races and keep the standing good. So with these cars, this is our current prototype, and dahan-dahan pa namin binubuo, but sooner or later we want to offer these types of builds to people na ipagyayabang nila na okay, this is a sports car pero madadala mo sa buong Pilipinas. You can go on long trips with it knowing nakakayanin ng kotse kahit saan mo siya dalhin. And that's the beauty with the rally scene compared to the other genres ng pag-auto. So dito sa shop, we started with cars, yung sa brand namin, and we tried to incorporate motorcycles, but we decided to make another brand which is yung sa kabila, which is called Orient Customs, yung partnership namin ni Armando. And the same philosophy goes with the bikes, is we want it simple and raw and reliable. Here in the Philippines, dumadami yung mga organizers who are facilitating these races, and nakakatawa that more and more people are joining. And advice ko lang to the rest, huwag kayo matakot, just follow the proper safety precautions and safety equipment, and mas lalakas yung loob nyo develop your skills more. Once again, from Spirit Auto Salon, I am Aaron Jarman Rumor, and this is for All About Wheels Manila.